Welcome back to Trading Hour. Well, another set of stocks today that are seeing quite a bit of a sell-off are stocks that cater number one power generators themselves and also power financier companies. So have a look at names like NTPC. The stock sold off significantly after the results that came in over the weekend. JSW Energy down over 4% today. CSE, post results, this particular stock has seen almost 40 rupees gone away. Post the results came in from close to 170 levels. This particular stock is now closer to the 130 levels. The other set of stocks are the power financial stocks that are now trading the day's lowest points. Both PFC and RSC are seeing quite a bit of selling pressure emerge today. But let's now shift focus to the commodity space. Manisha joins in, and today we are focusing on metals.
And we're doing that because we've seen further decline come in for many of these metal prices. The day started slightly better, where we saw steel prices gain up. Even copper has seen a bit of a rebound and continues like that. But, it's still trading at the lower side of the range. We have seen China manufacturing data, retail sales, services, factory activity, all of those numbers come in on the weaker side. And not just China, much of the global major markets have seen their manufacturing and factory activity numbers slightly weaker than the estimates, and that has continued to weigh onto the markets. The second point is that there is a bit of a strength coming back in case of dollar index that is weighing onto the markets. And the third point, the street is still trying to understand or grasp on what kind of tariffs could we see on many of these countries. Now, the US President Trump also has spoken about various sectors from pharma to semiconductors to microchips and some metals like copper, aluminum and steel that could also attract some tariffs. And then there's going to be a universal tariff of starting to 2.5% as well. That's exactly what is bothering these markets right now. When it comes to production and the kind of inventories that we are seeing on LME, remember we've started this year slightly on a stronger note there, and if the demand does not pick up, then we are perhaps continuing to look at pressure there. Zinc, which gained up by nearly 15% in the previous year, is down by 6% right now. Copper, aluminum, copper is still trading in the positive, but aluminum is down by 4% as well for this year. So not a very great start to this year. As we are ending the first month of 2025, it does look that the pressure could continue in case of metals.
Thank you very much for that. We will get into a short break on that note. On the other side, we've got a corporate conversation. The management of Orient Pro Solutions, which has been clocking in an over 30% top-line growth, will join in to talk about the future.